Clint Coons here with Anderson Business Advisors, and I want to talk to you a little bit about why you shouldn't use LegalZoom or your local attorney to create your asset protection structure for real estate. I mean, there's a reason why people refer to LegalZoom as legal doom, and that is because when you start using those documents, you don't know what you have because you're filling out basically a form document. When you create an LLC through LegalZoom or corporation, they're not going to ask you the important aspects of your business. That is, what do you intend to do with your business? How would you like your profits distributed? What type of asset protection features would you like inside of your operating agreement to ensure that if a lawsuit arises, you're not going to be left fully exposed to that lawsuit? These are some of the problems you have with using form documents. I've looked at the LegalZoom documents before, and I can tell you I would never recommend my client use one of their operating agreements because they fail to have the pertinent provisions necessary to protect you. For example, they have certain provisions inside of their agreements that call for the election of officers. LLCs do not need officers, but people at LegalZoom think that you need them. They call for mandatory distributions. Why do you want a company that's going to distribute all of its money to you on an annual basis? I don't need to be told that. I can decide that as the manager of my own LLC whether or not I need to take money out of my company. So what you find with these types of documents, when they require certain things of you, you have to abide by them. The problem is most people don't know what needs to be abided by in order to maintain the shield of their asset protection entity. And as a result, they neglect it. And so when they're going to find out is at the end when they're involved in a lawsuit. I tell people time and time again, it's better to spend a little money up front, build a proper foundation, than find out when it's too late. Because when your plan gets tested is a time in which you're going to wish you had the right type of plan in place. Now, what about your local guys? Why not just go to a local attorney or CPA and ask them to take care of this work for you? It's simple. They don't understand your business. I see it time and time again with local attorneys or CPAs who are trying to work with real estate investors. Yeah, they give them accurate information. You can go to an attorney, he'll give you great information on how to protect your business. You can go to a CPA and he'll talk to you about how to reduce your taxes. But the one thing that neither one of them understand is how your business actually operates and what you truly need to take that business to the next level. In my experience, most of these local professionals blow it because they don't understand the business side of what the individual wants to accomplish. And with real estate investors, there's more to just taxes and asset protection. How about the fact that you want to work with lenders in the future? Do you know that based upon the way you create your asset protection entity, you can disqualify yourself for loans? That is, nobody want to touch you because they don't like the way your tax return looks? I mean, this is what most guys don't understand. If I'm running a business, I want to write everything off. I want to expense out my computers, my cell phones, my vehicles. But that then in turn reduces my business profit. So how does that look to a lender when they see that you have your own business and it doesn't make any money? It doesn't look good. I've seen it time and time again. The thing is, if you're going to invest in real estate and you want to create the proper plan, then you want to work with a knowledgeable professional or an organization like Anderson Business Advisors, where we bring together both the legal, the tax, and the financial planning side to ensure that we keep it all in-house so you have a team of professionals working for you to make sure that all of your interests are taken care of. At Anderson, we have over 60 employees devoted to this one single task. Don't take your future and put it in the hands of someone who doesn't understand what they're doing. My name is Clint Coons with Anderson Business Advisors, and I look forward to working with you in the future.